Well, I was just curious. I mean, nobody's cake doesn't want to burn, but I know that's possible for a cake to burn in the microwave. If you guys have ever made a cake in the microwave, can you share some of your experience with me? Because I would love to hear it. Well, once it's done, I have to get another toothpick. What? Less than 1 minute. Yeah, when I told my sister about this, she was shocked. She, first off, she didn't believe me, but I did tell her the story of what happened when I first make a cake in the microwave, and she was really surprised. And I know she watches my videos. And hopefully she'll try this. Well, alright. I had to put you guys down because I had to get another toothpick. And yes, you guys are staring into my microwave again. Alright, let's see how this turned out. I always do this. See? Came out clean. And no, I did wash my hands before I started cooking. Alright. Yeah, well, don't worry about that little bump up. Well, let me put you guys down. Sorry about the napkin holder. I was like, oh, sorry. The pot holders. Okay, I do apologize about that. Well, as you can see, it's a little bit jiggly, and it's nice and moist too. Well, I'm going to take it out. Yeah, I should have gotten out a pot holder. Yeah, that's pretty stupid of me. I mean, everyone makes mistakes. Nobody's perfect. All right, let me this. All right, here's the cake, completely all done. Yeah, it's done all the way. Well, the reason why it looks like that is because it was steamed in the microwave. And don't worry, if your cake comes out like that, you didn't do anything wrong. You did it just right. And it's nice and moist, and it's delicious, and you're gonna love it. And after the cake is cooled down, I'm gonna put this frosting on. That might take a while, but okay, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and please let me know of your opinions of what you think of this video today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.